Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Dove of Hope, and this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Dove of Hope, and we're going to be using this little dove and peace, joy, and love. And this is a pretty simple card. I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have both of our stamps mounted on clear block D. And I'm just going to come in with my Versamark ink pad. Put that down. Next I'm going to come in with my silver embossing powder. All right, so just like that, might be able to get a little bit more on this side. And maybe on the bottom. All right, so we will put this back in. Excuse me. I'm going to get my heat tool and let it warm up for a second. All right. I have stuff shooting across my craft room. Gonna come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. I'm gonna put our image down, and then I have the two second to the largest circles from the layering circles. And for the scallop, I have a piece of Mary Merlot. All right, and we'll run this through. And that is all we are using the Stampin' Cut and Emboss for. So look at this. How cute is that? All right, and let's start putting this card together. Our card base is Mary Merlot, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. May come in and get my Stampin' Seal. And we're just going to adhere this down. There we go. So we will put this down here to make a nice border. And then we are going to put the dove on the back of Mary Merlot. So just like that. Let me find my Stampin' Dimensionals here. So this past weekend we had a Stampin' Up convention, and we had different challenges to do, and this was one of my challenges. This was the sketch challenge, I believe. All right, and I'm just going to put it in the center right here. So there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!